Blue, I came out here to tell you that I'm very sorry for beating you for the past 2 weekends. Listen, I know it's a love-hate relationship between us two, but you didn't deserve that. I know you're naturally aspirated 4.6 and you know, it's not really worth beating you. So I just want to say I'm sorry. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today bringing you another vlog. And first off, little disclaimer, today's video has nothing to do with my car. Now we might talk about it a little bit here and there, but Jordan's car is on the list today. And here she is. I feel so bad because, you know, I've been doing nothing but abusing her the past couple days, and I'm gonna let her rest. She needs her beauty sleep. Like, look, she's sunbasking right now, so. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, today's video is gonna be revolving around Jordan's Mustang GT. Obviously, you guys know Jordan. He's been on the channel for some time now, and, you know, he's been part of my life for a long time now, so. Yeah, today he's getting the spotlight. But really quick, as I said, I might mention Blue here and there. Not this Blue, you know, my Blue versus Blue. That's what I'm telling you guys today. So if you guys watched Monday's video, you clearly saw that I took Blue back to the track for the second day, and I was trying to hit my personal record of 13 seconds. And we came very, very, very close, and, you know, probably uncomfortably close because, you know, it happened twice. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what I ran for the naturally aspirated 2 valve that's on bags, which is super heavy and untuned, but you gotta go watch that video. It was super fun, super great, had a great time. In that video, we'll answer all your questions, so go watch it. Oh, by the way, there's a link right there, so go click it. But in that video, I did indeed mention that we will be racing my dad's 1991 L98 Corvette. Yes, it is not an LS series, thank God, because I would never have a chance. Those LS1 motors, naturally aspirated, were way ahead of their time, and yeah, we wouldn't have a chance. But actually, my dad did inform me yesterday that in the summer he ran this car at the same track we were just at in Monday's video. And I want to say he said he was running a 14.4, 14.3, but he did say it was like 90 degrees. So, you know, cars absolutely hate the hot weather, so that doesn't really put him at an advantage. And I was running in cool weather, so, you know, that's definitely going to determine a huge difference. But I think this race is going to be awesome. This car is an automatic. Mine's obviously a standard, so not saying standard's quicker by any means, but, you know, it is a lot more fun. Sorry, I'm not trying to butthurt anybody, but you know, it's the truth. But enough of that. As I said, go watch the last video. There'll be more information on that. And my buddy Jordan is pulling up right now. Let's see what he's up to. Wow. Sounds stock. Whoa! Howdy, howdy, partner. Hello. How's it going? Right. Oh, I see what you do. You know, you're not slick. You think you're slick, but you're not. Jordan here, every time we film a video, he does the hashtag follow. I see what you're doing, because you know you're gonna get camera time. When people see follow, you're thinking, I mean, I like it. It's good logic. I like it. Anyways, Jordan, what's going on besides Fortnite, grabbing dubs, and, you know, getting robbed?
Hey, getting robbed.
Hey, those pump shotguns and the tactical shotguns, man, they got to do something about them, right? They're pretty bad.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Pretty bad. But anyways, Jordan, what's been going on?
Not too bad. I thought it would be dirtier after the track, but.
I know, well, the rain yesterday kind of helped mine out a little bit. Brushed off a lot of that pollen since, well, kind of spoke too soon. Yeah, but the pollen is getting really bad. Obviously, you guys know it's becoming springtime, which I'm not complaining, but, you know, I'll deal with pollen for some great weather.
Pollen, salt.
Yeah, well, definitely, no, salt, like, down there. Yeah. They get it. So, Monday's video, they saw we were at the track. How was it the first time running this car? I know you used to run the Mini Cooper here and there, but how was it with the Mustang? Was it a big difference?
Yeah, it was a lot different.
Was it fun?
Couldn't get the burnout down.
Yeah, it's all good. We'll practice those. It's a lot different. The Mini Cooper, you're front wheel drive, so you never really experienced the, you know, standstill burnout, which is understandable.
It was a lot easier to, I guess, spin the tires.
Yeah, you could peel out in the Mini, but this is a little different, especially holding a burnout. You know, dump the clutch, rev it up, hold the brake, and it's a lot to learn. But anyways, was the run fun, like, on the track?
Fun. I could definitely tell with the control arms when it got, like, when it hooked.
Yeah, for sure.
It was out.
But anyways, Jordan, obviously today's video is revolving around Grabber 2V. I almost forgot to mention. I mentioned it in about last week's video. It was last week's, right? Yeah, oh yeah, we were at the Miranda's. That's when we delivered merch. That's right. That's right. But yes, everyone, Jordan did change his name on Instagram, so go give him a follow. There's gonna be a little @ sign before
imaginary underscore.
You know what? I got a blue Expo. You wanna just throw it in there? But yeah, everyone, go hook up Jordan with a follow at Grabber2V. So yes, other than that, everyone, pretty much today's video is gonna revolve around this, and obviously from the title and thumbnail, it's no surprise. Jordan finally got some exhaust, and you know, he went a different route. Obviously, Blue here. Huh?
I didn't get an exhaust.
Yes, you did.
I did.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
He's lying, bro. No, but obviously Blue here has the off-road X-pipe, and Jordan equipped his car with an off-road H-pipe, so two totally different tones, and you know, they both have their perks.
Guess where I got it from?
Where'd you get it from?
LMR.
LMR, boy! Yes, LMR, that's the place to go. Hit up my man, Tyler Rodriguez. Someone's calling you?
B. Randon, Miranda.
Hello, the hello! Hey, what are you doing?
I just dropped the friend off at his house, but I was on Sandalsville and saw Jordan driving.
Are you working?
No.
Are you in the Mustang?
I just got back. I was dropping a friend off at his house.
Are you in the Mustang?
Huh?
Oh my God, is this kid in school? Are you in the, no, he's not in school actually. Are you in the Mustang?
Yeah.
All right, come by.
All right, cool. I was gonna ask, can I come over?
Yeah, bring $5 for your entry fee. See you in a little bit. Bye. So that works out perfect. Brandon is on his way with Shadow, and it's funny because, you know, we're filming this video, he has no idea, and Jordan and Brandon actually had the exact same exhaust setup, so we're gonna get a perfect comparison of a before and after. How perfect is that? So we're gonna wait for Brandon to get here, and you know, we'll take a cruise in Brandon's car. I got both cameras. I am now bringing back the Canon DSLR. It's so weird. We use it at the track, and I got the big suction cup mount, the 3 things. If you guys have been with the channel for a while and saw my review videos, that's what I used to use. We're gonna go ahead and capture some rollers, some exhaust notes, and pretty much just give you guys like a little guide of what his car sounds like with an off-road H-pipe. And really quick before we begin, which one did you buy again?
I got the JBA off-road H.
JBA, and that's found on lmr.com. Link right there. Well, no, that's not follow! But yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna wait for Brandon to pull up, and then from there, we will begin the video, and I'll see you in 3, 2, 1, whoop! Well, well, well. We got the infamous Shadow 2 valve. Oh, yeah! What's going on? You wanna pull it back in there?
Yeah.
All right, well, damn, you don't have to jam out on us, shit. But as you guys can see, Brandon has now arrived, and we're gonna fill him in on what we're doing today. What have you been up to, man?
Not much, just chilling.
Not much. I was talking with Jordan over here about the track, Monday's video. Did you have fun?
Oh, hell yeah.
So what was going on with the car? Like, nothing was going on with it, but you were averaging some times.
14.5s consistently.
I
need to cut that down.
You know what I was running?
14 O's.
Ah, boy! I mean, I don't know how much more weight that has compared to the bags, but they're both heavy bitches. All right, everyone, so we're just about ready to go. We got Brandon's car all rigged up. I'll show you exactly what we're working with real quick. So you go inside of the car, you can see here, we got the DSLR on the suction cup mount aiming at Brandon. We're gonna watch him drive, and hopefully he doesn't miss gears or grind gears, because I'm gonna roast his ass if he does. Then you come to the rear here, we have the GoPro on the deck lid, you know, gonna capture the crisp audio, and then we're gonna synchronize the two. So you get good footage, rolling shots, you get the interior, and then, you know, you got the perfect sound. So, Brandon, you're up first, let's roll. And then Jordan and I are actually gonna head into the Coyote Swap twin turbo Camry, hit some poles, roast Brandon on film, and, you know, beat him at the track again. Let's get this going. Third to second. All right, now we are obviously back at the house. You just heard Brandon's car with the rollers and the GoPro. Both of those things were synced up, so hope that sounded good. It sounded really good from my perspective, so I mean, should be happy with that. But now we have Jordan's car rigged up, same exact setup. We got Jordan, the driver, obviously, got the camera rig right there, and again, the GoPro right here. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and ride with Brandon on this one. We're gonna film the same exact thing, but with Jordan. This is the off-road H-pipe, JBA, and yeah, then from there, we can go right to our next step, but here we go.
Sound of the car.
you have it, everyone. We just did the rollers with Brandon, Shadow 2-valve, and we got Jordan here with Grabber 2-valve. Now we have both of them here in my little spot, and you know, it's been a while since I've been here. It's been a long time since I've filmed in here. As I was saying, we're now here in the spot. We have them side by side. Obviously, we're gonna do comparison. Brandon's gonna rev, Jordan's gonna rev, Brandon's gonna rev, Jordan's gonna rev, Brandon's gonna rev, Jordan's gonna rev. You guys get the idea. So with that, we're gonna get startups real quick, and I'm gonna have the other camera mounted in front or maybe inside. I haven't really decided, but yeah, startups right now. Alright, so we just came into a speed bump. Like the upper manifold here cracked on Jordan's car, as you can see right there. And this is all connected on one piece, and he was just squirting out a ton of coolant. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to call a tow truck because it's not, I wouldn't say it's necessarily safe to drive even if you have enough coolant, just because that's gonna be squirting everywhere, and you know, you didn't want to mess that up. And yeah, this sucks, Jordan. This sucks. Anyways, we're gonna have to call a tow truck and get this thing towed out of here, but we'll keep you guys updated.
If you are a USAA member service representative, please press 3 now.
It looks like we're just gonna need a tow truck if possible. It's not a busy road or anything. It's like really quiet where we're at.
And it's parked in like a parking.
Yeah, it's a perfect access right to the car. Like it's just literally a straight back into it. And he'll be good. At least we have insurance, so we'll keep you guys updated when the tow truck gets here. All right, tow truck is here. And unfortunately, my camera is dying. Well, it's a Ford. Can't expect much from it. All right, so obviously we're at Jordan's house now. I got the tow truck unloading the car. The camera is about to die, so we'll pick this back up. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, but we'll see you in just a minute. All right, everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It is now the next day. And really quick, Jordan, I'm super sorry that happened to your car. I know it's kind of my fault because it was my idea to film that video, and if it wasn't for my idea, you know, your intake manifold probably wouldn't have cracked, but I mean, it might have happened regardless, but yeah, I'm sorry. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Colby Nemo 56. Thank you so much for the continued support, man, and make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. And for those of you that want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad on your post. Because as you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, you go to hashtag, so you use it and boom, shout out. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go grab your DBP Squad merch. Link is in bio. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.